My name is Bhuvana Pranith Pappula. I have secured all India rank 510. Like my friend said, I've taken 2 trial attempts during this preparation, and then this is my final attempt where I could make it into the list. And my parents, both of them studied here in OU. This is arranged marriage, by the way. So yeah, they both work in government sector. So since I see many kids over here, I would want to say one thing to them. You might have heard this a lot. 10th bar chadavandi, you will go to a good college in inter bar chadavandi, you will go to good engineering bar chadavandi, you will get in like. So this is a very big cycle. Like idi intune untaru chinnapadi nunchi. So what fact I want to establish here is learning is a lifelong process. So you would be learning always. మనం ఎంత నేర్చుకుంటుంటే అది మనకు అంత ఇంపార్టెంట్ లైఫ్లో ఇట్ విల్ హెల్ప్ us a lot. So it is not just you have to study in 10th లేదా ఇంటర్లో మంచి చదవాలా ఇంజనీరింగ్లో బాగా చదవాలా అనేది you just keep learn wherever way whatever way, whether it is reading or from life experiences or anything. So coming to this exam, as I said, both my parents are from government sector. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి వాళ్ళు నాకు చెప్పేవాళ్ళు నువ్వు ఐఏఎస్ అవ్వాలో లేదా యూ హ్యావ్ టు బికమ్ సివిల్ సర్వెంట్ అని ఇలా. బట్ ఐ నెవర్ టుక్ దే సజెషన్ అండ్ ఎట్ అ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ ఇన్ లైఫ్ నేను వాళ్ళకి క్లియర్గా చెప్పేశాను దట్ దిస్ వుడ్ నాట్ బి మీ, ఐ వుడ్ నాట్ బి డూయింగ్ ఆర్ ఫుల్ఫిల్లింగ్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్స్ అని. And then if at all I will take up this, it should be coming from within me. It should be an intuition from inside rather than any external force ani. So before, this is my option Z, last option. దీనికి ముందు నేను నా ప్లాన్ ఏ, ప్లాన్ బి, ప్లాన్ సి, ప్లాన్ డి అన్ని ఎగ్జాస్ట్ చేసి అన్ని దగ్గరలో అన్ని చేసుకొని చూసుకొని లైక్ స్పోర్ట్స్ ఎనీథింగ్ లైక్ ఈవెన్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు డూ దిస్ అని అన్ని ఐ ట్రైడ్ ఎవ్రీవేర్ అండ్ దెన్ ఫైనల్గా ఐ కేమ్ టు దిస్ ఎగ్జామ్. So that's why I want to talk about how, who, what అనేది this exam లో. So who అంటే anybody. This exam does not discriminate. I'll just give you a small example. Like మనకి ఇక్కడ రేవయ్య he was giving a story, or someone who has all resources. మన దగ్గర అన్ని రిసోర్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లైక్ లెట్స్ సే నేను చదువుకునేటప్పుడు నా దగ్గర ఫోన్ ఉండేది. లెట్స్ సే ఐ హావ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫోన్. కానీ చదువుకుంటున్న ప్రతి 15 minutes I would go on to phone. మంచి ఫోన్ ఉంటే I would play game. లేదా ఇంకోటి ఏదైనా చేస్తాం. అట్లనే ఐ హ్యాడ్ యాక్సెస్ టు బై మోర్ రిసోర్సెస్. లెట్స్ సే ఇప్పుడు సోషాలజీ చదవాలనుకుంటే నా ఆప్షనల్ సోషాలజీ. సో మీరు సోషాలజీ చదవాలనుకుంటే యూ కెన్ రిఫర్ హండ్రెడ్స్ అండ్ మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ బుక్స్ అన్నమాట. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ రిసోర్సెస్ మనకు వచ్చే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి, రిసోర్సెస్ లేకపోయినా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఎవ్రీబడి ఇన్ దిస్ ఎగ్జామ్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఎట్ స్క్వేర్ వన్. So you have resources, you don't have resources, you have financial aid, you do not have financial aid, either you are from good college or not from good college, it doesn't matter. Everybody will start from the same, everybody will have their failures, their learnings, and everybody will converge and come to the same place finally, into the toppers, rankers list. So how one day, with the discussion with all my friends and other toppers, I would give you a mantra for this exam or any exam in life. So there are 2 things, confidence and then respect. Each exam has its own respect. We ఏదన్నా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వచ్చు లైఫ్లో, ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ అయినా you have to give a certain respect. So why respect అంటున్నానంటే if there is no respect, మీ confidence will turn into overconfidence. So this exam, while I always had this confidence, but ఏంటి అని అంటే the confidence is with all due respect, I kept this exam as an exam. This doesn't define me who I am. This doesn't define me if I fail. This doesn't define me if I achieve. So this is the confidence one should have while you go for any exam in life. And irrespect lo, how do you respect? Ikkada all the superlatives comes. My friends andaru cheppina superlatives anni like hard work, smart work, analyze, sacrifice, devotion, determination, dedication. Finally every matrix ela work aitundante everybody is not same. So somebody will do more hard work, somebody will do more smart work, somebody will analyze more, somebody will do less. So it is a matrix anamata. What works for you, you will only know based on your strengths and weaknesses. You should find what your strengths are, what your weaknesses is. So while I took my second trial attempt, that was the first time. You can see how I was never worried about any exams in entire life. So second time when I wrote prelims, I knew what all mistakes I made, and that was the first time I cried in life about an exam. So then I sat back, my friends under to clarity, strengths and weaknesses, developing their own strategy. ఇవన్నీ వర్కౌట్ చేసి I have exhausted my strengths in a way that over 20-30 days I have told my father, Daddy, be ready. You have to spend some money. We need to give parties and all that. So I was that confident that my name would come up in the list, but first initially I felt bad that I could have got more better. I could have done more better, but I am very satisfied with whatever I have got. Right? So ala manam confidence anedi, exam approach anedi, the matrix anedi you have to work out anamata. So how do you find out strengths anante? You can do like. You take up multiple exams. In a exam, mock test, like they said previous year question papers. Once you take out, you just analyze where your strengths lie. Under example, there are different subjects in this exam, like polity only, history only, society only. When you environment, economics, when you do, and then go back and see me ekkada correct, ekkada tappayi, enni vachai, enni raledu. So you have to analyze very well. When you analyze everything, and then you see where you are getting marks, where your strengths are, how much time you are able to adopt, ఇవ్వగలుగుతున్నారు, ఇచ్చిన దానికి ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, అవన్నీ మీరు చూసుకున్నప్పుడు you will know what your strengths are. So that's all. And what I would say is you should not have any fear, Andy. I'll just give you one thing. What you should do, Andy, you should just start. Whatever you want to do, just give a start. Learn from your experiences, learn from your failures. I'll just give you 2 anecdotes of my start example. I just want to say that I'm not just preaching on it. I do practice. So when it was my mains optional, I have learned from YouTube initiative. Just YouTube below there was this optional. They were teaching. Akkada nenu PDFs download cheskoni. I have learned from YouTube, and I have got some 266 marks, which is a decently higher score CE optional. And ethics kuda inte. I just wanted to start optional ethics exam only, mains only. I just read my notes, and when I been to exam, I could not get any marks. Then I realized that my book is not enough for me. So room ke lanu, room lo oka book padandi. Somebody's, I don't even know who's that book. Oka book padana. I took that book. I read that book of a half. I felt good. Then I finished the other half. Then I went and wrote an exam. I got very good marks. So, then I completed that book 8 times before going to mains. Completely, paper it is not left without any marks. So eventually I got a very good score in ethics also. So that is what I am saying. Man start cheyali, sources, resources, whatever you have in your hand, you start with a piece of paper, write, study. Wherever you get anything, add to that, make your own source, which will help you in coming to the exam, and then you just believe it, create it, and make yourself there. Thank you.